हे दोस्तों, हम कर रहे हैं जीके जीएस सीरीज़। इस सीरीज़ में हम जीके जीएस से रिलेटेड टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस करते हैं। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने सेट 12 कवर किया था। इस लेक्चर में हम सेट 13 कवर करेंगे। तो चालू करते हैं जीके जीएस सीरीज़ का सेट नंबर 13। लेकिन दोस्तों, अगर अब तक के आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए। तो चालू करते हैं जीके जीएस सीरीज़ का सेट नंबर 13। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, with which does the power to extend or restrict the jurisdiction of the High Court rest? Answer is with the Parliament. Next, gobar gas contain mainly which gas? Answer is methane. Next, which is the biggest public sector undertaking in India? Answer is railway. Next, which rocks is transformed into marble? Answer is limestone. Next, which Englishman was fellow of Gandhiji in South Africa? Answer is Polak. Next, by which number the quality of gasoline sample is determined? Answer is by its octane number. Next, due to bite of mad dog, the disease hydrophobia is caused by which virus? Answer is rabies virus. Next, who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer is President. Next, what is the principal reason for the formation of metamorphic rocks? Answer is extreme heat and pressure. Next, who said, I therefore want freedom immediately, this very night before dawn, if it can be had? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Next, a temperature at which both the Fahrenheit and the centigrade scales have the same value. Answer is -40 degree. Next, with which is the tennis court oath associated? Answer is French Revolution. Next, which is the tax that takes away a higher proportion of one's income as the income rise? Answer is progressive tax. Next, where is the Sargasso Sea located? Answer is North Atlantic Ocean. Next, who comment merited that Cripps mission was a post-dated check on a crashing bank? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Next, medicine for epilepsy is obtained from which lichen? Answer is Parmelia. Next, up to how much age can the member of Union Public Service Commission function? Answer is 65 years. Next, which type of glass is used for making glass reinforced plastic? Answer is quartz glass. Next, which is the greatest known ocean depth which lies in the Pacific Ocean? Answer is Mariana Trench, जिसकी डेप्थ है 10,935 meters. Next, at which one place did Mahatma Gandhi first start his satyagraha in India? Answer is Champaran, Bihar. Next, with which countries is Orange Revolution is associated? Answer is Ukraine. Next, with which field was Pandit Bhimsen Joshi associated? Answer is music. Next, by which ruler the practice of military governorship first introduced in India? Answer is Greeks. Next, what percentage of water is lost during transpiration? Answer is 99%. Next, which is the most populous city in the world? Answer is Tokyo, Japan. Next, which country has the briefest constitution in the world? Answer is USA. Next, when temperature is gradually decreased, what is the specific heat of substance? Answer is decreased. Next, what is the mean of invisible export? Answer is export services. Next, which is the country with the highest density of population in Europe? Answer is Netherlands. Next, Bhakt Tukaram was a contemporary of which Mughal emperor? Answer is Jahangir. Next, magnetism at the center of a bar magnet is? Answer is around 0. Next, when a ship enters the sea from a river? Answer is it rises a little. Next, which technique is used to detect the objects on or under the surface of the water? Answer is sonar. कमेंट में सोनार का फुल फॉर्म लिखिए. नेक्स्ट, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज मैक्सिमम इन? आंसर इज वैक्यूम. नेक्स्ट, कुकिंग वेसल्स हैव वुडन और bakelite handles because? Answer is wood and bakelite are bad conductor of heat. Next, a body absorb heat most if it is? Answer is black and rough. Next, nib of a pen is split keeping in view the phenomena of? Answer is capillarity. Next, when the milk is churned vigorously, the cream it is separated out due to? Answer is centrifugal force. Next, 1 horsepower is equal to? Answer is 746 watt. Next, which part of the camera is equivalent to the retina of human eye? Answer is film. Next, the clouds float in the atmosphere because of their low? Answer is density. Next, at which temperature density of water is maximum? Answer is 4 degree Celsius. Next, source of energy from the sun is? Answer is nuclear fusion. Next, energy conservation means? Answer is energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Next, for shaving one uses? Answer is concave mirror. Next, which lens is used to minimize myopia? Answer is concave lens. Next, when a piece of ice floating in a glass of water melts, the level of water will? Answer is remain same. Next, a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is? Answer is electric motor. Next, Curie is the unit of? Answer is radioactivity. And the last question of this set, in human eye, image of object forms at? Answer is retina. तो दोस्तों, आज हमने जीके जीएस सीरीज में से सेट नंबर 13 कवर किया. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम आगे के सेट कवर करेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.